everyone, welcome from the campsite. Today we are running the Asuga. I think we got the perfect place out here to run this big beautiful RC. Check it out. Woo! We got gravel, this loose dusty stuff. What does RC Guy Garage say? Smoky goodness. Hell yeah. I need to do this now before we get more campers through here. You get an Asuga, get you one of these wing mounts by Garage Life RC, because right there when we hit that fence, this thing would have ripped off if it wasn't for that nice little mount right there. Garage Life RC. Appreciate it, Tyson. Thanks. Ooh. Oh man, this thing freaking rips. I don't care, there's somebody camping right there, but we're running on 6S. There is no gyro in this car either, so we just enjoying that raw. Oh my god, man, that's awesome. Yeah, I want to do this now before like my neighbors get back too. Oh shit, where's the car? Oh my god. Man, I don't even think I've gone full throttle on this thing yet, man. 6S is just crazy. Man, look at this. That's what I love about the XLR here. Man, this thing can rip through about anything.
You know when I have something freaking burning? Those people sitting by the tent cannot breathe because of that. How do you stop this? Go somewhere over there. Yeah, somebody's cat.
Foo. It is not German Shepherd approved. Oh man, dude, this car. I love the Asuga. Oh no. Oops. Oops. Oh, man. Smoky goodness for days. Whoa. RC Guy Garage ain't got nothing on this. Oh man, I'll tell you what, this is an awesome RC. You get the looks and the styling of a buggy, you gotta get the handling of a buggy, but you got that size and ground clearance of a monster truck kind of. Oh, I don't even know if anybody's in that campsite. Guess I need to check. All right, good. Man, this thing can go anywhere. Well, I can't say maybe anywhere, but woo! I do love this RC. Oh man, some great camping adventures here. Woo, can't even see it. Woo, all right, everyone. I can only probably film so much of me just going back and forth here, but if I find someplace else around here cool enough to run this, we'll make another video. But see, this is it's a Tuesday, so campsite's kind of light. But see, this is why I can't do it when there's people here. Oh yeah, buddy, the Asuga. Woo! This thing's freaking wild, man. Smoky goodness. Full trigger! Full trigger! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that don't sound good. That don't sound good. What happened there? Everything's spinning, but something don't sound good. Oh, the body's hitting. I need to put regular Velcro in there. Oh boy. Yeah, that's what happened. The body's hitting. Woo! Boy, she's dirty. She's a dirty girl. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed a little camping RC action here. Us in the Asuga. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. See you on the next one.